What's up, everyone? This is Panda. Day 2. What's going on in California and Washington and Oregon is devastating. The fires are increasing, but we have good news. Rain will be coming tomorrow night. Hopefully, it would extinguish all those fires. But I'm Panda, everyone. I'm shooting this on the GoPro handheld, so mind a little shakiness. But I had a YouTuber or a viewer ask me a comment in the last 24 hours. What was how did I get into photography, and how did I manage to make this as a career? And it's not technically a career. It's a life choice decision to go independent, to be a self-employed individual. I'm the PandaPhotographer, everyone. If you want to subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification buttons so you get notifications when I do uploads and live streams. But we are in Portland, Oregon, and I also have my gear with me. I just came back from the hostel. And no one's at the front office right now, so I'll come back later. I'm not really in a rush. But yeah, it was pretty wet, cold, and miserable last night. This is why I'm wearing warmer gear and my boots. And yeah, so mind you that I'm just going out to shoot something. I want to shoot something, but look at these the smoke. It's pretty bad. Let me put on my mask. Can I look good? Can I look good? Great. But I also have my media passes. So let's say I walk by a food establishment or restaurant, and they want me to take pictures. Got the business card ready, and I got a contract, or if they want to, but I would like to get paid. We definitely need the money, but I keep you guys informed. Let's go try to look for something cool to shoot, shall we? So the question was from an audience, how did I get into photography and why did I choose? Well, I've been doing photography off and on since I was 12. I never really got into the professional realm of photography until after my car accident in Japan. And that's when I decided to make it a career. And even before that, I was doing a lot of tech reviews, making content for another channel that I own personally. Now, keep in mind that I work really hard to provide content, and YouTube always wants to play this shadow ban. But as a photographer, I still try to provide content no matter what. But sometimes it can be stressful. But there was some off and on good times as a photographer in this career. And there were some bad times where I got robbed at gunpoint, and that wasn't very cool at all. This happened in San Jose, mind you. But they took the drone, they took the phone, they took everything, passports. But look, I got everything back. So with that said, everyone, that's how things started for me as a professional photographer. My turn of events in Japan persuade me to do what's necessary for my mental health. Photography has a lot of encouragement to help you with mental health crisis. When you take a photo, you're more calm, you're more collect. You're happy that you got the shot that you want. You're so satisfied. You just want to go home and you just want to edit that. That's where photography can help those with mental health. I try to emphasize that as a professional travel consultant and photographer, doing work for organizations, HUD, or even trying to commute with embassies and consulates. Traveling a lot takes a lot, but it takes a toll on you, that's for sure. Alright, so during this pandemic, I've been really thinking about my family. And at first, I wanted to get away from my family because we have some differences and we have definitely some differences when it comes down to cultural barriers. And you guys should understand, the most important part is that I grew up in a family that is not my own. I always wanted to get away from my family. I wanted to be on my own. I didn't want their help. I didn't want anything. And after my car accident, I decided I want to get away from everything. But now it's different. Now I want to be near my family. I want to be back home. And I want to stay there for a little bit because it made me realize that family is more important than treating yourself to all this luxury and alcohol and shoes and clothing when you have family out there that can love you as much and better than anyone else out there. It's true that family can bring and tear apart family, but at the end of the day, family always unite. And that's what I want to do right now, but I'm not given that flexibility. So I just have to take everything with a grain of salt and just try to survive and deal with this whole pandemic the best way I can. So this is one of the Japanese locations and friends, and it's closed. It's been closed ever since the pandemic. One of the best Japanese places you can come eat in Portland, hands down. I wish they could open very, very soon.